Pretty cool. It is Sunday the 8th of January and we are here at Bridge Classic Cars for our New Year's car rally. Everybody's now starting to arrive, so let's crack on with the rally. First of all, thank you so much for joining us on our New Year car rally today.
That's a pleasure.
Can you please tell us a little bit about your fabulous car that you've got here?
Yeah, certainly. It's a Series 1 Elise, but it's got a fully built engine in it. So it's a Honda Civic Type R engine that's been completely rebuilt. It's 2.2 litres. It's naturally aspirated with 300 horsepower.
It is so nice to see so many classics that have joined us today. We are very, very lucky indeed. The route that we're doing, I'm so very settled. Thank you. Where are we going? We're going through a little thingy to let you know which way we're going. So we're just about to lead the pack in the Ford Cortina to start off the rally.
A lot of people, isn't there?
Look at this selection of cars.
DeLorean. Blimey.
Yeah, a lovely selection.
Should we give them a few beeps to let them know we're leaving?
I'd say I would.
Toot toot.
So I'm going right here, aren't
Yeah, right here.
Yeah.
I? RAC's obviously heard about us.
I hope whoever wins this doesn't mind us taking her out for one last minute. I guess it's still our car,
It's
isn't
got
it?
to
Yeah,
be
it's
clean
still our
now,
car,
isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Now we're on the wet road.
Follow the road ahead through Wickham Market and Hatcheston. Is that how I say it?
Okay. So I guess we go left at the roundabout then, are we?
And then turn left onto the A12, yeah. So here, a little bit further up, you're going to literally turn right, but it's like back on yourself.
Ah, here we are.
You're straight along.
The Friday Street, isn't it?
No, this
No,
is
that's
Friday
Oh, right,
Street.
okay. Sorry, everybody. So the next two are us, aren't they? And
There's a lot of
there's a lot here now. They obviously ignore Lily's map.
Well, stop one. We made it.
Yeah.
Not good that we were the first to leave and the last to get in. These are great, aren't they, these?
All there to dates for this.
So we've just made it to the first stop on our car rally this morning. We are at Friday Street for a nice coffee. Some of the cars are all parked up. We had a beautiful drive here. The sun was shining on the fields, it was sunning. But our next stop is the White Hart at Blythburgh. See you there. We've got a lovely Mustang behind us.
Future competition car?
Ooh, is it?
Well, maybe if we can convince Jack.
Ooh.
And the police car, did you just hear that?
Oh yeah, that police car's really cool, the American one.
Yeah, that's behind as well.
Oh yeah. Los Angeles Police.
Mustang probably panicked.
Jack's used to that car. Oh,
There's the Mustang going past. Pathetic. It's had a lot of heads, this car, hasn't it?
yeah, it has.
Cortina.
Yeah, people have been talking around the rally at Bridge and here, said they all really like the Cortina.
So I didn't think you were allowed blue lights.
What do you mean, the ones that are going off now?
Nerve-wracking having a police car behind, even though you actually know he's part of us.
You're getting sweaty hands.
Well, you could say that we're nearly there, because we're nearly there. So, it'd be a good time to say it.
Okay, so we're nearly there. We've not crashed yet.
All right.
So Craig's doing a really good job.
Thank you.
Oh look, and here we are.
Okay. Is that actually painted? It's not.
Yeah, hand painted.
Hand painted on it.
Wow.
Love it. We have just made it here to the White Hart in Blythburgh, and we are so chuffed to see that all of these classics have come along for the whole journey with us today. So let's just get some grub now. got the goat cheese starter, and I was a bit cheeky and asked for a side of chips as well. Yours looks delicious though.
Does look good.
We've just finished our delicious lunch here at the White Hart. Thank you so much to everybody who joined us on our rally this morning. If you've watched it and like the look of it, please do head over to our events section on the Bridge Classic Cars website for our next one, and we hope to see you there. See you later. Goodbye.